शिक्षणा खातीर वाणिज्य आनी अभियांत्रिकी शाखेच्या विद्यार्थ्यांक फ्री वायफाय दिवपाची सुचोवणी मंत्री लोबोन दिल्या। त्या भायर विद्यार्थ्यांक फुकट A4 सायजीचे पेपर आनी प्रिंटर दिवपाचो विचार मंत्री लोबोन मांडला। आरटीएक्स गोवा खातीर परराच्यान गौतम शिरोडकर।
तो म्हारग पडटा। थोडे जाण स्टडी करता इन दे डू स्टडी इन सायन्स इंजिनियरींग, सो तांकां ते लागता। सो लॅपटॉप्स दवरप आनी तांकां फ्री फॅसिलिटी दिवप, वायफाय फॅसिलिटी फ्री दिवप, डावनलोडिंग वीथ सम this also papers if they want to download and take printouts, so that also should be given free. For education we have to do whatever is required for the youth. All the people, all the students, sometimes they don't have facilities to download, to print. Printer bhi aspak jay, so ek tori printer aspak jay, so tenka te you give them A4 size page along with the printer. So they, whatever they want, they download and they take. So it should be given free of cost. So this facility should be there in the panchayat, because this is being built by GSIDC under Director of Panchayats this thing, and that scheme is from Deen Dayal scheme, which was introduced long back by our government.